Let us look at identities. There are certain algebraic equalities that are very commonly encountered. These are called identities. Let's look at them one by one. A plus B the whole square. Now this can be written as A plus B times A plus B. And we know how to simplify this. A times A, that is A square, plus A times B, that is AB, plus B times A, that is BA, plus B times B, B square. Now, multiplication is commutative, so A times B is equal to B times C. So, which means we can combine them. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, this forms an identity. A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Let's look at the next one. A plus B the whole cube. Now here we can write it as A plus B times A plus B times A plus B. But A plus B times A plus B we have already seen. So we can directly utilize that previous identity. So we have A square plus 2AB plus B square times A plus B. And now we actually multiply these two. A cube, that is A square times A is A cube, plus A square times B is A square B, plus 2AB times A is 2A square B, plus 2AB times B is 2AB square, plus B square A, plus B cube. And simplifying it, we get A cube, A square B, A square B. So we have like terms. So 1A square B plus 2A square B is 3A square B, plus 2AB square plus this can be written as AB square. So again like terms. So 2 plus 1, 3 AB square plus B cube. So this is another identity. So A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. A minus B square. So we had seen A plus B square. Now we are looking at A minus B square, which can be written as A minus B times A minus B. And if we multiply these two, we get A square minus AB minus BA plus B square. And we have A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is another identity. Let's look at the fourth one. A minus B the whole cube. We had seen A plus B the whole cube. Now we are looking at A minus B the whole cube. So A minus B times A minus B times A minus B. But A minus B times A minus B we have already seen. So we directly utilize the previous identity. So A square minus 2AB plus B square times A minus 2. Adding it out or distributing, we get A cube minus A square B minus 2A square B plus 2AB square plus AB square minus B cube. Simplifying it, A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So when we have A plus B to the power of something, all the terms are positive. Whereas when we have A minus B to the power of something, you will notice that the first term is positive, next is minus, next is plus, and if we come to cube, we have plus, minus, plus, minus. So the signs alternate. So we have the identity A minus B cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. These identities are worth remembering as they occur very frequently in algebra. So here it may not appear as A minus B itself. It may appear as 2x plus 7y cube. So we do the necessary substitution and use this identity. Okay, let's look at another one of the identities. A plus B times A minus B. A times A minus A times B plus B times A, or A times B minus B times B. We get A square minus AB plus AB cancel out minus B square, which gives us A square minus B square. So our identity is A plus B times A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is also called the difference of squares. Now, let's look at one example with respect to each of these. 2A plus 3B square. So, you notice here A plus B. So, A is now 2A. B is here 3B. So, we directly use the identity. A square. So, here A is nothing but 2A. So, 2A square plus 2 times the first term times the second term plus the square of the second term, which gives us 4A square plus 12AB plus 9B square. Now I'm using the same thing, but choosing the appropriate signs and powers to take care of all these identities. So you have 2A minus 3B square. So first term square minus 2 times the first term times the second term plus the square of the second term. So we have 2A square minus 2 times 2A times 3B plus 3B square, which gives us 4A square minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 AB plus 9B square. 3A plus 2 cube. So instead of going through all these steps, we can use the identity A cube. Here A is 3A. So 3A cube plus 3 times A square. So 3 times 3A square times 2 plus 3 times 3A times 2 square plus 2 cube, which gives us 7A cube plus 54A square plus 36A plus 8. Then we have 3A minus 2 cube. The difference is the signs will alternate. 3A cube minus 3 times 3A square times 2 plus 3 times 3A times 2 square minus 2 cube, which gives us 27A cube minus 54A square plus 36A minus 8. Okay, the last one. 3A plus 2 times 3A minus 2. So this is A plus B times A minus B. So the square of the first term minus the square on the second term. So 3A square minus 2 square, which gives us 9A square minus 4. So that was identity. That's it for now. Bye.